Hey there, finance enthusiasts! Today I'm going to break down one of the most fundamental concepts in personal finance, net worth. And guess what? We're going to do it in just 3 minutes. Alright, so what exactly is net worth? Simply put, your net worth is the difference between what you own and what you owe. Think of it as your financial scorecard. It's a snapshot of your financial health at any given point in time. First things first, let's talk about assets. Assets are everything you own that has value. This includes your cash, investments like stocks and bonds, real estate, cars, and even things like jewelry or collectibles. Basically, if it's something you can sell for money, it's an asset. Now let's move on to liabilities. Liabilities are what you owe. These are your debts and financial obligations. Think of things like your mortgage, credit card debt, student loans, and car loans. If it's something you need to pay back, it's a liability. So to calculate your net worth, you simply subtract your total liabilities from your total assets. For example, if you have $100,000 in assets and $40,000 in liabilities, your net worth is $60,000. Easy, right? But why is knowing your net worth so important? Well, it gives you a clear picture of where you stand financially. It helps you track your financial progress over time. And it can be a great motivator to improve your financial situation. You can set goals to increase your net worth by either increasing your assets, decreasing your liabilities, or both. Maybe you decide to start investing more, pay off that credit card debt, or save up for a down payment on a house. Remember, your net worth isn't static. It can change daily with fluctuations in the stock market, paying off debt, or buying new assets. The key is to keep track of it regularly, say once a month or once a quarter. Alright, finance enthusiasts, that's net worth in a nutshell. By understanding and keeping track of your net worth, you're taking a big step towards financial freedom. If you have any questions, or if there's any financial term you'd like me to explain, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you and helping you on your financial journey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome finance content. See you next time.